Okay, here's a quick video on the mid segments of a trapezoid. So a mid segment is pretty much what it sounds like it is. It's a segment of a trapezoid that connects the midpoints of two opposite sides. So if you take a look at this trapezoid LAME here, that segment AB's endpoints are midpoints of those sides. So A is the midpoint of LE and B is the midpoint of AM. So again, we call that a mid-segment when the two endpoints are midpoints. So a couple of characteristics with a mid-segment. They are parallel to the bases. So remember that the two parallel sides of a trapezoid are called bases. So that would make AB also parallel to LA and EM. But then one more piece of information about the length. The length of AB is not the same as LA and not the same as EM. Remember, this is not a parallelogram. But something neat that does happen is that it's the average of the two bases. So you would take the average of the lengths between LA and EM, and that would be the length of AB. So average, find their sum, divide by 2, and that's what we're going to do to find the length of AB. So I've got an example for you here. If LA was 22 and ME's length was 30, then I want to find out what AB is. So I'm going to find the average of 22 and 30. So again, I'm going to add the two together, 22 plus 30, and then I'm going to divide that by 2 because that's how we find the average of two numbers. So find the sum in the numerator. 22 and 30 is 52. Divide that by 2, and that is 26. So the average length between 22 and 30 is 26, and that's how we would find the length of the mid-segment of a trapezoid. Keep in mind also, I did point out that these the mid-segment is parallel to the bases, so all the parallel properties come in place. So for instance, these angles are congruent because of corresponding angles. Angle L and angle LAB. So like this angle here and this angle here, they would be supplementary because of same side interior angles. Again, also because of that parallel relationship.